Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Hi there, I am GK. I am going to read you a story of two friends. Just before that, please help to click like and subscribe my channel. Wonderful. Now here is the story. Two friends. It was a hot day. Jack and David were walking across the desert to an oasis. The boys were friends, but today they were arguing. Jack was very angry. "David, you are so stupid," Jack yelled. David felt hurt and upset. He stopped and wrote in the sand, "Today my friend yelled at me." Jack read the words that David wrote in the sand. He felt sorry, but he didn't say anything. The two boys walked on. Soon they came to the cool green oasis, with trees, birds, and waterhole. David jumped in the deep water to cool off. Suddenly, Jack saw that David was in trouble. "Oh no," thought Jack. David is in deep water, and he can't swim. He shouted, "Stay calm, David. I am coming to help you." Jack swam quickly to David. He helped David get back to the shore. "Thank you, Jack," said David. David picked up his knife. He carved these words into a rock. "Today my friend saved my life." "I don't understand," said Jack. "When I called you stupid, you wrote the words in the sand. But when I helped you, you carved the words in a rock." David smiled at Jack. "When a friend is unkind, we should write the words in the sand so the wind can blow the words away. When a friend is kind, we should carve the words in a rock so we can remember the kindness forever." "You are very wise, David," said Jack. "I'm sorry I was unkind. Thanks for being my friend." Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.